In Python 3.8, there now is in its alpha release, and the full complete version will came in September 2019. We have this new feature, this Walrus operator, that is this thing here, and so you can use it in an if condition. For example, if let's say we got this a equal 100, and then we want to say if b equal a as greater than 50, print 100 is, or we can say, we can use this b is greater than 50, and so 100 is greater than 50. So you see, you could have done it in another way. You could have done a equal 100, b equal a, and if b greater than if b greater than 50, print f b greater than 50. There is, you get pretty the same results. And so you just have this different thing here that you can just go and say if b equal a greater than 50, go like this. Is pretty the same, and you just avoid making this assignment before the if condition, and you do that inside the condition itself, so it is maybe more readable, and you could like this one more than this, maybe, or maybe not. And this is one of the features that are going to be in the next version of Python 3.8.